Hey everybody, Carly from Mercedes-Benz of North Scottsdale. Last video I showed you how to launch your Apple CarPlay. This quick video I'm going to give you a couple tips and tricks on how to better utilize CarPlay. So I'm going to plug my phone back in, and since I already accepted and allowed CarPlay in this vehicle, it's going to automatically launch, as it should for you if you've set it up before in your Mercedes. From here, if you're looking for your home screen showing all the supported apps with CarPlay, we are going to look for the icon at the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Here we are, and you will notice a Mercedes icon, and what that will do is bring you back to the screen of the Mercedes system. From here, if you want your CarPlay screen back up, you'll always have the CarPlay tab up top, so we are going to click on that. Here we are again. Another little tip is the 3 apps on the left-hand side are your most recently used apps. And the last tip I got for you today is utilizing Siri, which is probably the best way to use CarPlay. So on your steering wheel, you will just push and hold your voice command button up until you hear a chime, and then Siri is awaiting your command. So you can tell her to call someone, text someone, bring me to this address, find Starbucks, play this song from my playlist, launch my podcasts. You can do quite a bit with her. And I really hope that this helped you use your Apple CarPlay in your Mercedes-Benz. Have a great day.